Exfoliating body lotions are gradually going viral. I'm talking about the Alpha Skin Renewal Exfoliating Body Lotion, the Amlatin Exfoliating Body Lotion, Glutona Exfoliating Body Lotion, Eucerin Advanced Urea Body Lotions, because people want a soft, smooth, brighter looking skin. But here is the problem: a lot of people end up using this body lotion incorrectly, and instead of getting a soft, smooth, glowing skin, but they end up with irritation, dryness, dark patches, or they totally damage their skin barrier. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you the common mistakes people make while using exfoliating body lotion and how to use exfoliating body lotion correctly for a maximum result. So in today's video, I will be sharing common mistakes people make while using exfoliating body lotion and how to use this lotion correctly. If you're new to my channel, my name is Elo, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. And if you end up enjoying this video, like, share, and drop your comments if you have any question. I'll be down there reading all your comments and answering all your questions. Before we talk about the common mistake people do while using exfoliating body lotion, let's first talk about what exfoliating body lotion actually do. Most exfoliating body lotion contains glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid, urea, and other exfoliating ingredients. They help to remove dead skin cells, reveal a healthier, smoother, glowing, brighter looking skin. And because they are active, they need to be used correctly. Now, let's talk about signs of overexfoliation. We have the sun sensitivity, burning, peeling, dryness or tightness of the skin, then patches after having irritation. Number one mistake you might be making while using exfoliating body lotion is that using your exfoliating body lotion with lightening or harsh body soap. Many people use exfoliating body lotion with kojisan soap, turmeric soap, asante papaya, fair and white soap, and other effective lightening soap. The truth is, your skin is not understanding that you want to get a faster result. Too many active at the same time can overwhelm your skin. Better approach would be incorporating your exfoliating body lotion with a mild cleanser. Let's take for example, now I have my Glutona body lotion. It is best to pair it with a soap like Dove body soap. The second mistake people make is using exfoliating body lotion with exfoliating scrub. So since these two are exfoliants, so you either choose one. Either you are going with your exfoliating body lotion or you are using your body scrub. You don't have to use both of them together because they deliver the same results. So exfoliating body lotions, they are made of chemical exfoliants like glutathione, lactic acid, and the rest, or salicylic acid. Why? When we talk about body scrub is made of sugar, salt. So what it does is that it adds physical friction to your skin. So when you rub it and you gently scrub it, that is where the exfoliation comes. So if you're using the two together, since you're damaging your results and you're not going to get any benefits. If you love body scrub, then sis, you do not need an exfoliating body lotion. The third mistake I see people make is using their exfoliating body lotion as their regular body lotion. Since exfoliating body lotion is not meant to be incorporated every day in your skincare routine, it is meant to be incorporated only 2 to 3 times in a week to help your skin to remove dead skin cell and reveal a soft, smooth skin. So what you do is that if you're using exfoliating body lotion, it is best to pair your exfoliating body lotion with a hydrating body lotion. My best brand when it comes to an affordable hydrating or a moisturizing body lotion, I recommend the Vaseline, the Nivea body lotion. They are very excellent in helping to keep your skin hydrated. But if you want something more luxury, then you are going to choose the Cetaphil moisturizing body lotion, or you're going for CeraVe moisturizing body lotion. But if you're within the budget, definitely the Vaseline moisturizing body lotion and the Nivea Milk Express or the Express Hydration is the best one for you. The fourth mistake I see people make is not using sunscreen during the daytime. So people that use exfoliating body lotion feel that because I'm using exfoliating body lotion during the night, during the day, I do not need to apply sunscreen, and they just go about it. They since you are damaging your skin, because one thing about exfoliating is that it reveals a newer skin. So imagine the newer skin, after your skin reveals a newer skin, it becomes more sensitive to sun. This is why you need to protect your skin. My recommendation would be that apply your sunscreen only where your skin is exposed, like your arms, your leg, your neck, during the daytime. Also, try as much as possible to stay away from sun, because even as much as you're applying your sunscreen, remember, sunscreen doesn't mean that you're 100% protected. Seek for shade if you can use an umbrella, and most importantly, wear protective clothing. The fifth mistake I see people make is using exfoliating body lotion with active. So I see a lot of people, because they are suffering from hyperpigmentation and probably they want a brighter glowing skin, they are applying exfoliating body lotion like the Glutona Exfoliating Body Lotion, or the Alpha Skin Renewal, or the Amlatin, or the Eucerin Ura Exfoliating Body Lotion. They will still go ahead and apply their retinoid, like the Reta A spot corrector that contains active, or they are using azelaic acid. Since if you are using any exfoliating body lotion, do not incorporate any active in your skincare routine. A skincare routine is not better because it has so many active. Sometimes a simple skincare routine delivers better results. So sis, stop doing too much. The sixth mistake people are making is using exfoliating body lotion on a damaged skin. Since if your skin barrier is compromised, I would advise you do not include exfoliating body lotion. Keep using your hydrating body lotion or your body butter. When you know that your skin has healed, then you can incorporate exfoliating body lotion in your skincare routine. Another thing is that if your skin is irritated, you have a damaged skin, like you have a cut on your skin, or you just shaved, you just waxed your skin, sis, please do not use exfoliating body lotion the very day you shaved your skin or the very day your skin got waxed. My advice would be wait till your skin calms down. The seventh mistake people are making is expecting an instant result. People feel like once I'm getting this body lotion, I'm expecting an instant result. Since it doesn't happen that way, remember, patience, consistency is the key to a healthy, beautiful, glowing skin. When you start incorporating exfoliating body lotion in your skincare routine, the number one thing you will notice is a smooth, soft skin. Then the black spot, reduction in your black spots, or having a brighter, youthful skin comes next. The last mistake I see people make while using exfoliating body lotion is applying their exfoliating body lotion on a damp skin. Six, make sure your body is properly dry. If not, you're going to scream, what did I do to myself? Just know that healthy skin is a process and it doesn't happen overnight. Now, can I tell you how to use an exfoliating body lotion correctly? So if you want to use an exfoliating body lotion in your nighttime routine, here is a simple routine on how to do that. One, you will start with a gentle cleanser. Either you are choosing a gentle cleansing soap, or you are choosing a body wash, but make sure it is a moisturizer, not brightening, just a simple hydrating body soap or wash. Then the second thing is you dry your skin. Make sure your skin is properly dry and not even damp. Like, make sure it is dry and you cannot even see any trace of water. Then you go ahead and apply your exfoliating body lotion of your choice. Depending on the exfoliating body lotion, if your skin feels dry after applying the exfoliating body lotion, you can go ahead and apply your moisturizer. But if you are using this one, this Glutona body lotion, it is very hydrating. In fact, I'm recommending this if you suffer from dry skin. It is a better option compared to the Eucerin Advanced Ura body lotion. I've reviewed this particular lotion on my channel, and if you're asking for my opinion for other exfoliating body lotion like the Amlatin exfoliating body lotion, Alpha Skin Renewal, or the Eucerin. I've not used this body lotion, but if you want me to review it, drop your comments and I will share my honest review. That will be when I've used it. But the only exfoliating body lotion I've tried is this Glutona Exfoliating Body Lotion. And if I can roughly like give you like a review on this, I would say that it is actually a very thick, when I mean thick, this is how thick it comes. It is a very thick body lotion. Once you apply it on your skin, it melts so easily on your skin and it is very, very moisturizing. Once you apply it, you feel that softness, that smoothness on your skin. And another thing about this lotion is that I really, whenever I'm applying this body lotion, I will make sure that there is power, like my AC is up, because you can sweat profusely whenever you put up this body lotion. What I noticed, like the first time using it, is that my skin instantly became smooth and soft. The reason why I bought it is because I'm using physical exfoliant, but still I noticed that I have keratosis varices, aka chicken leg. So I suffer from this no matter how hard I scrub. So when I incorporated this Glutona exfoliating body lotion, that was just the game changer in my skincare routine. My skin became instantly smooth, soft, and yes, it also brightened my skin and helped to get rid of hyperpigmentation I've been suffering from years. This was the only thing that helped me to get rid of it. I've been like exfoliating my skin using a lot of body lotion, but it did not work. This this did the job for me. I'm recommending this for someone that has dull skin, rough skin, dry skin. This works absolutely well. I wouldn't talk about the brightening benefits because Glutona can actually help to get rid of hyperpigmentation, but it's not necessarily a brightening body lotion. I hope this video helps you. Next time you are choosing or you are buying an exfoliating lotion, this is the best guide on how to use an exfoliating body lotion. If you've come to the end of today's video, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to share this to someone that will find it helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, lovies.